Yeah, that's not too bad, but you just keep an eye on it and then you slow back to your 80. So you can't go 90 yet until you get to the sign. Okay? That indicates when it changes. Now you're right, you can do your 90. Babe is in control.
I'm very rarely to drive that.
Yeah, you need to drive more so you can get more hours. And it's a good day today because there's not so much traffic.
Babe, so Craig is going to the Penguin.
Famous penguin, babe.
Penguin, where Kay Abad and Paulo Contes shoot their movie.
Yeah.
This is the one, Mia.
See, they put a shirt on for Anzac Day.
Yeah.
It's like an army shirt.
Yeah, army.
Recognition.
So because today, guys, is what, Malak?
It's Anzac Day.
Anzac Day.
Yeah.
So
it's where we stop.
honored.
We recognise
the
and other people that fought in the war.
And that's where they eat there in the movie. So, hi guys! Ba yun yung tsura ko? So, kagagaling lang namin kay Mother. Buang. Nag-play yung alarm. So, nandito ako sa parking. Ako yung nag-drive, guys. So, tinulungan namin si mother-in-law na matapos yung kanyang painting. So, pininturahan namin yung kanyang kwarto. So, may ano na yun. Ano ba tawag? Base coat pa lang yun. So, kailangan pa namin magbalik doon para sa dalawang top coat. So, pinadry na muna. So, maybe next week na naman yun. So, at least happy na siya. Na-trigger ko yung alarm ng car ko, guys. So, akong nag-drive since this morning. So, bumili lang si Craig sa Woolies ng... Uy! Puang talaga to. Tinatch ko lang yung yung upuan. Ganyan siya, nagti-trigger, buong. So, yun. I'm waiting for Craig. Takot na akong gumalaw kasi yung sasakyan ko nag-alarm. Marami kasing sensor tong sasakyan ko, guys. Pag may malapit na sasakyan sa'yo, siya, nagla-light yung kanyang side mirror, and then kumikipat-kipat. Tapos ang daming tugtog. Tapos pag malapit na yung, halimbawa mababangga ka ng mga parang ano ba yan, yung malapit, yun, tumutunog din siya. Ito ang ingay. Ang dami ko pang hindi alam dito sa sasakyan ko eh. Pero sige lang. Gustong gusto ni Craig i-drive to kasi ano daw, comfortable. Pero ako, naglalagay ako ng ano sa upuan ng unan kasi sa sobrang liit ko, yung ano ba, hindi ko masyadong maapakan yung brake and kanyang
Bahay na kami. Nagluluto na si Craig ng dinner, guys.
After dinner. Is it? After dinner.
Yes.
Don't take photos of that, babe, because that's the same thing we had the other day.
No, it's not.